All of a sudden, my computer clock was off by a decade and it was refusing to boot and the overall experience was slow and sluggish. I faced this issue once in every 5 years, so I immediately knew that this was the Cmos battery case. The computer that is refusing to start or running slower than usual, the first thing that you should do is check when was the last time the battery was replaced. If you haven't changed the battery for the last 3 to 5 years, then immediately get yourself a new Cmos battery, and in this video I will tell you the exact procedure. So open up your CPU case and look for the silver coin-shaped battery located near the graphic card on the motherboard. You can easily take it off by pressing a knob with your hand, or you might use a screwdriver too. Once the old battery is removed, buy a new one, preferably the Panasonic or the Duracell that I will use now. The class name of all the Cmos battery used for the desktop is CR2032, no matter which brand you buy. With just a click of a sound, our new Cmos battery is successfully installed on the motherboard. Let's start the CPU again. There you go, all the problem that you were facing before will be resolved successfully. Our Windows will boot fast, our date and time issue will also be resolved after the Cmos battery replacement.